Good afternoon, Bluebeamers. My name is Troy DeGroot with Chapter 2, and I'm excited to partner with the team at Brighter Graphics to deliver world-class Bluebeam training and customization services so you can get the most out of your Bluebeam investment. Today, we're going to be looking at commonly used tools and features of Revu used for design review workflows, from different markup tools, tracking statuses, and assigning responsibility. We'll show you how to reduce risk and increase communication through your markups. So in design review, we want to make sure that we make clear and concise notes so that we're communicating with our team. And today I just want to show you a couple of tools that are most common for doing that. Okay, the next thing I want to do is go through the responsibility. So you can set a responsibility for different markups. What I did was build a custom column here called responsibility. I'll show you where that setting is by going to markups list, columns, come down here to manage columns. And then up here, I'm going to click on the custom columns tab. I built a responsibility custom column. If I look at the makeup of that, I created a choice column and I entered in different choices for who I might assign these markups to. Let's say OK and OK. And then I'll show you here with these markups that are left. The Cloud Plus, let's say I want Darren to work on that one. I can come over here, double click, set it to Darren. Let's say I want Sean to work on this one. I'm going to set that. I think I'll give him this one too. Teresa's going to work on that one, and I'll take care of that one. So I can set up the responsibility for these different markups as well with that custom column. What's nice about that is now when each of us go in to do these changes in the drawings, I can filter this list to show only the markups that were assigned to me. I click off of it. It's going to give me my minimal list. So it's just going to show me the ones that I was assigned to, and all the rest of these markups, because they've been filtered out, are grayed out, not drawing any attention. Okay. So Sean would come in here and click on his name, turn off mine, and he would see all of his markups that he needs to go through and mark complete when he's done. Well, that's what I have for you today. A little quicker one this time around. I hope you captured some ideas to reduce risk and increase communication during your design review process. Thanks for joining us. Reach out to Darren and his team at Brighter Graphics to learn more about additional licenses of Revu Extreme or the small investment of upgrading your existing seats. And as always, if you have any questions regarding training or customization services for your company, don't hesitate to reach out to our team as well.